This is Arthashastra Gurukul, our economic school based in Tithanbali Kullu, Himachal Pradesh and Ranikhet, Uttarakhand. We teach astronomy. If you're into investing, trading, if you're a finance professional, this course is going to help you tremendous. Till now, since last 200 years, you have been just learning 50% of economy, the econometric calculations, the methods, which really doesn't work in the market. And that's why from last 200 years, every other investor, trader or finance professional losing money in the market. When you talk about market, it's economy. Yes, right. Don't consider that stock market is individual phenomena. It's the part of the economy, son. It's a reflection of our economy, right? Global economy, national economy. We talk about macroeconomic situation, we talk about microeconomic situation. So without having this understanding, how do you really think that you are going to make profit in the stock market? Stock market is not just a buying and selling. And the technical analysis that you have been learning, not you. You are not the first generation who is learning this wrong method of investing. From last 200 years, people have been doing that, all right? You don't think that this bot AI is a new phenomenon. From last 200 years, from last 100 years, this bot is available. But what happened? The result, 95 to 99% of the people have been losing money in the stock market. Why? And you are learning the same mistakes. You are learning the same methods. Let's take an example of like all the laggards methods. Does it really work in the market? Do you really think that the market economy to run on those technical analysis? Market is just a reflection of time. Whatever you are seeing today, the reason lies in some, in your previous activities. It's just a reflection that you are seeing today. Now, whatever we teach to our students, a single method will definitely want to change your entire dimension of your analysis, of your thinking process. How? Now you are seeing market, the price, vertical act, price तो वहाँ पे है ही नहीं. Generally price stays on a 45-degree angle of where you are saying. This is a 12th standard education. But without having this 12th standard education with yourself, you jump into the stock market, follow the news and look for the gurus. Yes, the guru is not a new phenomenon. Every alternative year a new guru popped up, and every alternative year those gurus wiped away. If you read through all the major books written by like Alexander Elder, like W.D. Gann and some other stock market books, if you go through it, you will see that these gurus are not a new recent phenomenon, right? And they have been teaching you the same old story. The result? But what we do, let's talk about the Gurukul. What Gurukul teach you? Gurukul doesn't teach you how to make trade. Gurukul teach you how to see a trade. And this saying comes from your inner wisdom. If you will learn about economics with astronomy, that's called astronomy, you are going to see things 15 days advance, 30 days advance. Yes, these are called forecasting strategies. But without having this focused with you, if you learn economics, if you learn trading, you are just learning 50% of the practices, which doesn't work, right? So Arthashastra Gurukul trained you with 100% econometric, activities, 100% of econometric analysis, 100% of stock market, 100% of financial institution, financial knowledge. And it is absolutely, it's a 12th standard knowledge. Without having this 12th standard knowledge, if you go to the PhDs, what's going to happen? Same thing is happening with everybody, and we suggest and request everybody, even to the teachers, before getting into the market, please learn the truth of the market. And truth lies somewhere else. Where it's lying, you have to find. And Gurukul is going to help you out to find it. The solution was never been outside. The solution is within. Yat brahmande tat pinde. Okay? If you just follow this simple principle, you don't have to look for gurus. You don't have to look for informations. You don't have to look for news. You have to just go inside and have to see and find how this financial market, how this economy, how this stock market, how this industry, how these individual companies are going to perform. If you are interested, you can contact our Gurukul office. We generally don't take everybody, okay? Because we receive more than 1,000 applications to participate in our program, but only 1 out of 10 people get this opportunity to participate in the program.